Alright, so here we've got the Seagate expansion 6 terabytes hard drive, external hard drive, 3.5 inch hard drive. So, I don't know if there's any specs in here, speed specs. No, it doesn't. I'll find out as I'm unpacking it. Right. Let's get it open. Okay, let's have a look what's inside. It's quite tight. Okay, this is it. Slightly heavy as you'd expect for a hard drive. Here we've got thousands of adapters, EU, UK adapters. Not sure what country that is. Thousands of adapters, and then the power supply unit, and this micro USB cable. I don't know the exact name of it. It's the one with the slightly larger one. Okay. Alright. Put this aside. Okay. And here we've got the manual. See if there's anything. How about this pick? Wow. Okay. Alright, so this is it. So that's the front, I believe. That's the bottom. It says expansion desktop drive, 6 terabyte, assembled in Thailand. Product of China. Hard drive. Right, it's the size of my hand. I've got a medium hand. I don't have a big hand or a small hand. Okay. Or shall I say that's against an SSD. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in and see what speed we're gonna get. Well, practical speed, not just on the sheet. Okay. Okay, this was the adapter. This is the UK plug. Halfway through first here, and then you push. Alright. trying to find. That's the plug. There's the cable. Okay, I just plugged it in the back. The LED light, for some reason, in the back of the front, it doesn't seem to have a front neither. But to be honest, I want the cables to be the front, in the front, so it'll be at the back. I don't know why the LED is at the back there. Okay, so, and I plugged it into USB 3.2, I believe. So we're gonna copy a movie, Borat, which is 6.56 gigabyte. We're gonna copy it to the hard drive, and let's see what we're gonna get. 20. Okay, now I'm just gonna copy it back to my C drive. My local disk C drive is an NVMe Samsung 970, so it's quite fast. Okay, read speed is much faster. 183 megabyte a second. Right, that was quite fast. Okay, let's delete that. So I've downloaded Crystal Disk Info, and hopefully this will tell us more about the drive. So here we go. This is our drive. Temperature running at 27°C. That's actually not bad because it's just been copying. Rotation rate. So it's only 545 RPM. It's not a 7200. Okay, that explains why it's slow. Okay, the hard drive got to 40 degrees Celsius when it was spinning. That's it, that's all I can see. Alright, that's it. So it's not the fastest. I just hope that it's a reliable hard drive to use, at least, if it's not fast. Alright, so I'd recommend it for archiving, and that's it. Thank you very much.